Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to allow Canva to access camera and microphone. Right now I'm on my project, and in order to enable that you just need to head over to this icon, and just right here you will see that this is the icon for enabling the camera and this one is for enabling the microphone. So that way you can easily turn on and off your microphone and camera at the same time. But in case for some reason if you're not able to see this, there is a way which you can use. For that, what you need to do, just here you need to click on these three dots, go to settings, click on privacy and security, go to site settings, and here you will see the Canva side. So just open this drop down, and here you will see that camera is blocked, so set this on allow. Similarly you can set microphone on allow and just close this. And now if we just click on this, you will see that way we can also enable the camera and microphone. And yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.